Hey guys, welcome to another video. So last week I uploaded a video in which I show you a fault that a linear driver made on one of the mock tests which I upload weekly, and then I demonstrate on exactly how it should have been done. So last week's video was on lane discipline at roundabouts, and when I uploaded that video, loads of you commented that you'd like a video on spiral mark roundabout. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be covering today. And guys, remember, if you need help with any topic on your driving test, don't forget you can always download the ultimate driving course. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm going to cover two spiral mark roundabouts. One's going to be slightly easier than the other one. The spiral markings are normally found on the larger roundabouts. They're designed to help the traffic flow, and if you follow the marking correctly, you'll be in a good position to exit the roundabout. So yeah, let's get started and show you exactly how it's done. Here's the first roundabout. You approach it the same as any other roundabout. So first check the mirrors, then signal, slow down and enter if it's safe. After entering the roundabout, position to the right as you would normally when turning right. Now you'll have to look out for the marking. It is a bit faded on this roundabout. Here we can see the new marking appear from the roundabout. Now all you have to do is make sure you keep to the left of this marking and don't drive over it. This will bring your vehicle out towards the left, so still check the center and left mirrors to check it's safe and there isn't anyone doing what this vehicle on our left does. And a good reaction from me there, if I must say. We are taking the third exit, so as you would normally, check the center and left mirrors as you reach the second exit and move over to the left to exit the roundabout. Now here's the second roundabout, which in my opinion is slightly more challenging as it's controlled by traffic lights. So as well as looking out for the markings, you'll also have to keep an eye out for the traffic lights. Again, enter as you would normally, keep to the right and look out for the new marking to appear. And because the new marking hasn't appeared yet, I'm keeping to the right close to the roundabout. It's also really important to remember what number exit you are taking and count each exit as you reach it. This way you can be sure to take the correct exit. Here now we can see the new marking appear, so I'm going to keep to the left of that marking. At this point you would check the center and left mirrors, and if it's safe, move over to the left lane to exit the roundabout. But as you can see, the lights were red, so I wasn't able to do that. While I'm waiting, I'm still checking the mirrors to assess if it would be safe to change lanes once the lights turn green. But when the lights do turn green, there is a vehicle approaching in the left lane. So I decide to exit off onto the right hand lane, as that's the safest option in this situation. Once it's safe and clear, I will move into the left lane, as the right hand lane is for overtaking or turning right. So that's it guys, a short video on spiral mark roundabouts. Hopefully you found that useful. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.